The poor work for money, but the rich? They never work for money. Instead, money works for them. Today we're diving into a game-changing framework from Robert Kiyosaki's. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how the rich think about money, but you'll also walk away with 10 actionable tips to escape the rat race and never work another day in your life. Let's start with the basics. The cash flow quadrants are 4 ways people earn money, and they look like this. E. Employee, you work for someone else. S. Self-employed, you work for yourself. B. Business owner, you own a system and people work for you. I. Investor, money works for you. Most people live in the E and S quadrants, trading time for money. But the wealthy? They operate in the B and I quadrants, creating systems and investing in assets that generate cash flow, even while they sleep. So how to move from working for money to making money work for you? Let's break it down with these 10 actionable tips. 10 tips for creating cash flow like the rich one. Understand where you are now. Identify which quadrant you're currently in. Are you an employee relying on a paycheck or a self-employed professional trading hours for income? Awareness is the first step. 2. Shift your mindset. Stop thinking about money as something you and start thinking about it as something you. This mental shift is the foundation for everything. 3. Learn financial education. The rich invest in their financial literacy. Study assets, liabilities, cash flow, and passive income streams. Knowledge is power. 4. Build or buy systems. In the B quadrant, systems are everything. Start a business that can run without you, whether it's an online store, a franchise, or a consulting agency with a team. 5. Start small with investments. In the I quadrant, you don't need millions to start. Begin with low-cost index funds, rental properties, or dividend-paying stocks to grow your portfolio. 6. Leverage other people's time and money. Business owners and investors know how to delegate tasks and use loans or partnerships to scale their ventures. 7. Automate your income. Set up automated systems like rental property management or dividend reinvestment plans so your money grows without constant effort. 8. Eliminate debt wisely. Not all debt is bad. Learn to distinguish between good debt, like leveraging for an investment property, and bad debt, like credit card debt. 9. Reinvest your profits. Don't spend your profits, reinvest them into more income-generating assets to create a compounding effect. 10. Surround yourself with the right people. Find mentors, partners, and a network of people who operate in the B and I quadrants. The people around you influence your financial habits. The rich don't have some magic formula, they simply understand the rules of the game. By shifting your focus to the B and I quadrants and applying these 10 tips, you can escape the rat race and let money work for you. So, are you ready to stop working for money and start living the rich dad way? Let me know your first step in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this.